Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm present with the latest update of the Chiliz. What's the current price of Chiliz, what's the price Chiliz occur in the Chiliz, in this video we discuss. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. My friends, before starting this interesting video, that's why I'm telling you to subscribe ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel give you update which is very important for holders. So that is why I request everyone to please subscribe now. And when you complete my 10k subscribers, so I'm going to announce 2000 Chiliz coin. So please remember and active on channels to for this giveaway. Let's see my friends, let's move on and let's start the video friends. My friends, if we look the latest price of the Chiliz in the market, so 0.276096 USD dollar is the latest price of the Chiliz. And if we look the price changes on the Chiliz, so absolutely I want congratulations to all Chiliz holders that the last 1 hour price change is going positive, last 1 day price change is again positive, and only the last 1 day price change is going negative. What's the reason behind that? As you can see here, that the last from yesterday the Chiliz start moving upward. The previous time changes occur in the Chiliz is going negative. Only the last 1 hour, last 1 day pricing is going positive friends. Let's see my friends more about the Chiliz. You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the Chiliz. And the start of month the price is going very badly fast down friends. I'm very shocked. I'm very shocked to see the last 1 month price chart. The whole month, my friends, the prices of the Chiliz is going down. You can see here negative 37.85%. The price change is occur in the Chiliz friends. Oh my goodness. But now from the last 1 day, the price change again positive and the price is going move upper friends. So that is why I'm very happy that after a very bad fast the price will again start moving upward. So that is why I'm very happy. And now this time my suggestion is that it's time to hold. If you decide to sell, so you are in the loss, because the last 1 month price change is still negative, so you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold, so maybe there is a lot of chances to take a jump in the future. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about channels? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.